Hi, my name is Shiva Tokus. I'm a graduate from 2016 batch of JGLS, Jindal Global Law School. I had a very amazing college life. It was majorly a golden period of my life, and I was very strongly involved with many things in college. So as soon as I graduated, you enter the real world, right? And when you enter the real world, you start from the bottom again. So that was a huge, how should I say this? It was a lot of responsibility, a lot of pressure. And because suddenly, like you know how that Rang De Basanti dialogue comes in between? That college ke is taraf you are something, in college ke us taraf you are like nothing at all. So that was what I was feeling at large. And I had got an offer from one of the companies earlier as I was graduating, but that didn't result into it. So because of that reason, I was suddenly lost. I didn't had anywhere else to go. So I started applying to various law firms. They started rejecting me one after the other. And eventually I got one interview in Khaitan & Company. Now that happened in November itself, but I think the partner didn't like me much. But I realized that, you know, in life, if you want to do something, you want to achieve something, there has to be one very important quality that is called as perseverance. So I went after the partner. I asked him, give me one more chance. So the partner scheduled another interview for me in December. And that interview happened. They actually liked me a lot. But since December till Feb mid, no response from them. I kept on emailing the Bombay HR. I think Bombay HR doesn't like me anymore because of the continuous amount of trouble that I gave them. So after every 2 weeks, I used to email them regarding an update, but again, no luck. So finally, I got irritated in Feb mid, and then I emailed directly to the head of the firm asking for an update about my job interview. And I kept on doing that every month, every week, every month. I kept on sending the same email. Eventually, they reverted in July, I guess. And then they asked me, Mr. Tokus, we have another interview for you in Delhi office. I went there, I gave another interview, and finally I made through. So that's how it was. The best thing that this university could have given me was making me understand and value life at large. Because I found myself. I mean, like that's what people usually say, right? The cliched word is that you find yourself when you go to college. It actually happened to me. I realized that I love organizing things. I have a knack for it. And since my second year onwards, I started organizing things, and I was part of the organizing committee and the founding committee of our two festivals in college, Bisa, Meal and Magnus, all because of the help that I got from my batchmates like Tegi, Rachit and all, and especially from my senior called Paris. He was the one who started it and I was working under him, and then eventually it all came to me. So that's how it was, and that life was awesome. And I mean, if I get an opportunity to go back to those 5 years, I would just take it right away, even though I might be like enjoying my life right now. But still, I mean, I just miss that a lot. There are professors from outside. They are foreign professors. You usually never get to deal with those kind of professors or interact with those kind of professors in other law schools. That is one very important aspect of it. The second thing is, I would say, the opportunity to go and experience basically the culture how it is in other foreign universities. That's what our college usually follows, the curriculum, the studying system, the education system from, let's say, from not just in law school but in other schools as well, to extracurricular activities that we get involved with. So those are the things which I believe are usually given in global universities and not in every other university that is there in the country. So on that aspect, I prefer the word global is kind of absolutely apt for it. I would say there are quite a few interns who come to Khaitan from all over the country, including law school as well. So during my internship periods, when I was a student, there was a gap. There were certain things I wasn't aware of, and you know, like how to deal with associates, how to deal with partners, etc., and so on and so forth, and what to study, how to prepare for interviews, etc. So this is what I'm actually doing side by side as well. So whenever I get to know that any intern from Khaitan is coming, or from Jindal is coming, I would automatically approach them. I would assess them in whatever way I can. I'm assisting interns as well to understand how the legal fraternity works. Because see, in the end, if you're not able to motivate these people who are looking up to where you are right now, then I don't think so that I'm doing a good job in the first place, right? So this is the kind of work, yeah, so on and so forth, I've been able to do.